Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I have this big package. So I don't really know what's in here. It's very tall if I hold it like this, but it's very long if I hold it like this. Let's see what's in here. So this is a hair dryer, my mom's hair dryer. Let's hold it like this. So this is my mom's hair dryer. She had an old one before, but that was like, Wah! This one is much more quiet, and plus it's much more powerful. So it's more powerful and quiet. And as you can see on this, the design, and let me show you what it comes with. So these are all of the things it comes with. On this side it shows. If you're thinking about what model this is the Dyson Supersonic, as I said before. So the only reason why we bought this was really because my mom's hair dryer would, like, if you pop it on, it'll just go ting across the room. So the older one was because it was older, and plus it had more sound, and plus it had less of these parts. So that's why we bought this. This one has more parts, less sound, and this is very lightweight compared to the other one. Powerful too. So let's open this. And plus it costs more, so you can't really forget about that. This was $500. So let's open this. And be careful whenever you open this. I'll stand up really quick. Okay, so let's try to find where this thing is open. Oh look, I found it. It's over here. So we need to tilt it like this and then go like this. So I can see this while I open it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it here fully. Okay, now let's do it like that. And now let's open it. So first we need to remove this little sticker as you saw before. So now just remove. So over here is a little sticker that we need to peel off. Actually, let's just cut it. Okay, no. Okay, now let's open this. Wow. Okay, so let's open this. Wow. So the top comes off. This is how the top is. Keep that aside. Okay, so here is the real machine. On, off. And now, so as you can see, this is the Dyson. It's blue and pink. So this is blue and pink, as you can see here. It has a nice metal touch whenever you touch it. This is how you turn it on or off. Button, off. I think this makes the speed higher and that turns on the heat. This and these three here are the attachments. There'll be more at the bottom, assuming to me. So now I'm gonna show you each and every attachment, starting from this. So let's put this on. So it automatically attaches and it's magnetic and it's very hard to take off. So that's a good thing, so then it doesn't fly off. And plus you can really change it to however you want, like this, this. Like, it looks like a duck. Change it like this, that. And then you can remove it. Put it back. And this one. Now let's put this one on. This one, it looks weird, like a hook, like this. This, I don't know how the air is gonna get out of it. Oh, over here. So this one, same thing, magnetic, just a lot of different shapes. And this one, I don't see what it does. It's just like as regular. You saw a hole here. And have you ever seen like anything like this where you can like keep a stick through like this with a magic trick? You ever seen a hair dryer like this? Well, I haven't. So see, look at how good this is, right? Toto. Now let's remove this. So as you can see, there are more attachments. So this is the biggest one of all. This is the diffuser, and it's very chunky. This is for like blow dry hair. So if you want to blow dry your hair, you could just do like boom and done. Put that back how it was. And then there's another layer to the box. And these are the two of them. And here is the wire. And I'll try to attach it. Well, let's close this box really quick. And I'll not throw this away since this is an expensive box and where you keep it if you want to travel. So I'll keep it back here where it belonged. Okay. So this is the real Dyson as you saw before. And in the last video, you might have saw something familiar in this video. That is this. So I told you that this is for this, to see this video. So that is why I'm gonna put this on. So you might be wondering about what the stand was. So this is how you put it, like this. It looks cool, doesn't it? Like this kind of design, modern. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it like this way so I can see and you can see. So if I put it here, then I can see and then you can see. Here's how it is. So you need to keep this big one right over here. Wow. And then you need to keep this little one over here. And then you can keep this one right over here. And then you can keep this one. And you can keep this one over here. Like that. Perfect. Right? Look at that stand. It can hold everything you need. And it also came with one little extra one. So these aren't all 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll show you this special one. So this is what it looks like. It's okay. So I'm gonna show you how this one fits on this. So this one you might be thinking that how will it fit? Just put it through like that and click. If you want to make your hair straight, you can just do it like this because it's a comb. And also, and plus, you know how hair dryers heat up? This thing will heat that up like hot, and then so this thing will make your hair straight if it was curly. Well, if it was curly. So it's really hard to remove these, so that's very good. And this is like, if you want to attach wires, you just have to like peel this and then attach it here somewhere. And then you can hang the wires like these. So now I'm gonna plug this in right over here, and then let's start it. While that, I'm gonna keep this stand right here like that. So this is very, very big. So see, look at how big this is wire. Look at how thick that wire is. It is a very thick wire. And also long. So let's just start this thing up. Okay, so let's start this. See how much pressure it has? Let's check. Oh. You can even add or make it less. But this is how much pressure it has. So farther. It's still good. It has lots of pressure. Well, you can lower down the heat, as you can see here. You can lower it down to this. As you can see, this is the lowest it can be. And quietest. And that was just on medium. So as you can see, it's much more quiet than your average one at like one. So now it's cold and at the lowest level it could be. It's very quiet. This is Dyson Supersonic. Now let's clean it. So it didn't come with any like a cleaning cloth, so I'd recommend you to clean it like. And I have like sweaty hands, so I need to clean it. So how did you think of this? Did you think it was good? Well, I thought it was very good. If you want to buy it, you can buy it off of like Amazon or something like that, or Dyson.com. I would rather recommend you to buy it from Dyson.com because they'll have the real price, and plus people want profit, so So this thing also comes with a manual that should be in the box. So this is really the manual about, oh yeah, here. This is the quick start guide. It's just a little manual about what things are. On the back it shows what the items do. So this is the manual. If you know how to use it, then you can just use this. If you don't know any of the parts, then you can read this. Inside here, it shows the lights in here, or heat, and this shows how how strong you want it to be. And this shows every single thing it has on it, and that's pretty cool. How did you like this video? If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. And remember to subscribe and hit the ding 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 bell. Bye!